Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about if expression in Python. Okay, so recall our previous video, whatever we have discussed. I have shown you how you can check certain condition using if else, right? So I am just giving you one example of that. Suppose I want to check whether a number is even or odd. To check whether a number is even or odd, what algorithm we follow? We just check the remainder part. If remainder is 0 after dividing by 2, then that number is even number because all the even numbers are divisible by 2. If there is some remainder after dividing by 2, then that is odd number. Okay, so first we are taking the input from the user, then we are getting the remainder using modulus. So if x mod 2 equal to 0, then print even, else print odd, right? So here I can just show you some example. Suppose our input is 5, which is odd number, and it is printing the odd. Okay, suppose if I run and input is given as 10, output is even. Okay, so this we are writing as if else statement, right? As I have shown you in my previous video. There is one more concept is there, that is called ternary operation using if expression. Okay, so if you are familiar with Java, you might know that there is a syntax like this. First here we write the condition, and then here give question mark, that is to check whether the condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, then whatever we have to do, that we write here. Okay, and if that is false, after giving colon we write here. This is generally using the syntax of ternary operation in case of Java. Just I can show you one example. In Eclipse I have written one simple code, input java.util.star. We have imported this to use the scanner class for taking input from the user. Then public class hello, our class name is hello. Then we have created the main method where we have created the object of the scanner class using scanner obj equal to new scanner system.in. Then we have taken input from the user as one integer number, int x equal to obj.nextInt. Then string s equal to, see the condition, x mod 2 equal to 0, same condition as we have checked in Python also. Then question mark, if the condition is satisfied, then s will be assigned with the value even, else it will be assigned with the value odd. Okay, then System.out.println s. There is no concept of if. Okay, only if, else, that's all in ternary operation. So if I run the code, see, proceed. So suppose I am giving input in the console as 5, here you can check, see output is odd we are getting, right? So if I run again, suppose I am giving as 10, which is even number, you will be getting output as even. So this kind of ternary operation increases the readability. Okay, so if you use if else, then suppose the whatever is the readability for a programmer who is not that much aware of the syntax, or who is not that much aware of the programming itself, then for them it is quite difficult if else in Python also. So for that there comes if expression. What is the syntax of if expression? See, in Java it was like this, and in Python it is like this. So you have to remember this syntax. First write the result when the condition is true. So result, then if whatever condition you want to check, that you have to write. Else if that condition is not satisfied, what is the result, you should write after that. Okay, so I am writing for the same if else statement, I am writing the if expression. Observe it carefully. So first s equal to int input, I am taking the input from the user, then x equal to first the result, that is even. Okay, if, even if, when s mod 2 equal to 0, if this condition is satisfied, then we have to print even. Okay, then give else. Okay, what is the result if that is odd number? That is odd. Okay, and then simply we can print x. Okay, suppose if I run 50, which is even number, see, printing even. Okay, suppose if I write 100, it is given even. suppose I am writing 455, I am taking randomly, you will be getting output as odd. Okay, so this is how you can write if expression in Python. And see, just consider this line. Let me just copy here. Here I am pasting as command. So in Python, command is given using this hash symbol. See, right, that is read this particular whole code. If x mod 2 equal to 0, then print even, else print odd. Readability for this is more, or for this is more. See, this is like one English statement. Even if x mod 2 equal to 0, else odd. Okay. So this is called ternary operation in case of Python, because you can see that it is working like Java ternary operator. Okay, but syntax is different. In case of Java, we are following this. In case of Python, we will be following this. Just you need to remember this syntax. First, write the result if the condition is satisfied. Then give the if condition. Then write else. Then write the result. If the condition is not satisfied, whatever you will return as output, that result you will be writing at the end. That's all. Okay, so this is how you can use if expression in Python. So this is all for this video, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, because your valuable feedback will help us to improve further. And if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.